Okay guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, Joe The Vibes. I'm here in Phnom Penh, and this is night here in Cambodia. I'm out here to have my dinner with Cambodia people, so I'm gonna enjoy with them guys. Meanwhile, it's been raining today. I just got back from work. I've been at home, so this evening I came out to enjoy with them guys. Where I am now is very close to my home, but it took me almost 1 hour to get here. This from my home is 20 minutes, but because it's raining and there is hold up, it took me almost 1 hour to get here. So guys, let me just show you people how they prepare their food over here. Okay, so this is how it goes. Hope you guys can see that. So see that? So man, I will have my dinner here. I have to have my dinner here guys. And since today it's been raining, don't even go anywhere today. I just came back from work. I have to relax. I've been at home, so I think man, I said let me just go out now and eat. So easy. These are my Cambodia people around. See them? I think my home is very close to here, but it took me almost 1 hour to get here, you know, almost 1 hour. Why my home is just 30 minutes from here, but it took me almost 1 hour to get here guys, you know. So that's how it goes. Let's see how they make the food. So I'm hoping to eat now, man. Once you get here, park your motorbike here. Look at the good guy that looked after the motorbike, you know. So it's so awesome to be here, man. So I have to join them guys. Here's how it goes. It's still raining. Get a nice seat, man. I want to see somewhere. Get a nice seat, man. Hello. Can I sit here? Yeah. So man. Hello. Hello. You see, they are all friendly people around. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, Khmer people, they are all friendly, you know. So you can see the only black man sitting with them, you know. So I have to enjoy with them. So good. From here you get the main road over here. You get the main road. So meanwhile, I've ordered already. I'm waiting for the guy to get my food. You know, I'm waiting for him to get my food. Man, since today it's been raining. It's been raining since today, and you can see the young pretty girl enjoying hers on my front. See the young pretty girl enjoying her food in my front, man. It's so good. Yo guys, so man, wow, is my camera dark over here? My camera is dead. my camera died, guys.
Ở đây cái nguy hiểm. Ngón này chơi ngón khá bán đi.
So you see my friendly Khmer people, Cambodia people. Yeah, man. Oh, guys. So I'm still waiting the young man to get my food here, man. I think I'm hungry, man. Honestly, I'm hungry. I need to eat. I got back from work. I don't go anywhere. I've been at home. Oh, okay. I think she okay. I thought she's mine. So okay, guys, see what this is what I got here. The food is ready. Mine is ready. I'm gonna enjoy with them now. This is what I got, guys. Easy. Ready? Yo. What is it? This is a coca. This is a coca, and this is a fried rice, and get the water. So it's cool. Time to enjoy, guys. Enjoying this hot fried rice. The fried rice is so hot, and man, this is a cool weather with hot fried rice. You know what it is, guys. So as you're watching me, you don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to grow more. We're heading to 1K. So guys, subscribe. Show love by subscribing. Bên đây đâu biết là thay bên đó. Đâu? Đấy tí nhé. Tí nhé mua rồi.
Bác ai này?
Hello sister. Man.
Món là con pram.
Một món là pram. $1.
Đợt lá cắt ao rồi pha nghề bây giờ này. Bây giờ đó. Nhưng mà pram đôi này. Ý một con.
Okay, $3. $3. $3, right? Hello. $3, right? So I'm done eating, guys. So this I have to pay her now. I'm done enjoying the Khmer fried rice. So it's time to pay them. Then I go. Oh, $3. Okay, that's cool. Oh, so she said it's $3. I got fried rice, Khmer fried rice with Coke, you know, Coca-Cola. So $3 I got to give them now. I think I have $3 here with me. Yeah, it's $5, right? So I gave her $5. She has to give me $2. So cool, guys. All right, I'm done. It's time to leave here. Yo, man, guys. Now this, I'm done now, so I have to go. You know, don't enjoy my dinner. So I'm about to go now. Door has been raining. So okay guys, thanks for watching my videos, and you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell your mama subscribe, tell your papa subscribe. You guys should subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and enjoy. Share the video you like. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.